Hi, I'm Lucy, co-founder of &Sisters. I'm here to answer all your questions on anything to do with menstrual health. Today we're discussing vaginal discharge, what it is and how to get rid of those pesky stains. So what is vaginal discharge? First things first, vaginal discharge is completely normal. Vaginal discharge is a fluid or mucus that keeps the vagina clean and protects it from any potential infection. Although we all get vaginal discharge, there is no textbook answer as to how much or how little you'll get. What's really important is to understand the consistency of your own vaginal discharge and make sure that you're monitoring that. Consistency of your vaginal discharge can change dependent on a number of factors. A couple of these are stress, hormones, potential infection, or even possible pregnancy. So what does healthy vaginal discharge look like? Well, firstly, it won't have a strong or unpleasant smell. It will be clear and white, and depending on where you are in your cycle, it will either be thick, gloopy, slippery, or wet. So why does vaginal discharge stain your underwear? You know when you've just bought a new pair of lingerie and after only a couple of wears, it already has a stain or what looks like bleach? Your vagina has good bacteria called lactobacilli. This helps keep your vagina at the perfect pH levels and prevents infection. When discharge is exposed to air, it oxidizes. This simple oxidation process can easily dye or what looks like bleach your underwear. So this is remüvie, our intimate stain remover. I recommend rinsing with cold water just to make sure that you've removed any kind of lumps and all that's left on the fabric is the stain. So if you take your remüvie, do a couple of sprays, and then if you get a cloth and give it a little bit of a scrub. And then once you've done that, leave it for a couple of minutes and you can pop them in the wash. So what if you want to remove an old vaginal discharge stain? No worries, remüvie is also great for that too. All I would recommend is repeating the steps that I mentioned previously and giving it a little bit more elbow grease. I hope you've enjoyed this video on vaginal discharge and I've reassured you that vaginal discharge is completely normal. Hopefully I've shown you how to save your favourite pair of underwear with the use of remüvie, our intimate stain remover. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and check out our other videos.